So today I want us to look at this washing machine. It's a Von brand. Von, that's the model number. Bought it from a client. It's a 6 kg washing machine. Of course I buy the faulty ones, so I want to know why she sold it. The first thing I can see, there's a possibility it's leaking. You can see the stain. Yeah. So there's a possibility it's leaking. That is one reason why she sold it. Let us look at the second reason. Second reason, look at the drum. You can hear that. You hear the sound. That means the bearings are worn out. The bearings are damaged. It's a very irritating noise. So I want to talk about bearings. Most people, when they buy washing machines, this is a 6 kg washing machine. 6 kg washing machine is a small washing machine. The capacity is small. You cannot compare it to a 7 kg washing machine like this one. This one, the drum is bigger. This is 8 kg, but the drum capacity is almost the same as the 7 kg. And this is a LG. This is an LG brand. Then this is a Samsung brand. This is 8 kg. The drum is bigger than this one. This one, if you check, the drum is smaller. So the drum capacity is smaller than 8 kg, 7 kg. So when you are buying a washing machine, depends with the capacity you need it for. If it's a full family, buy a 7 kg washing machine. 6 kg, you'll end up overloading it, or you'll end up overworking it. If it's overloaded and if it's overworking, then the possibility of the bearings going bad or the possibility of damaging bearings is very high. So we'll open the back part. We'll open the back part to look at how it looks from there. See, this is water. There are splashes, splashes inside the washing machine, meaning its seal is also damaged. This is spillage, water spillage. Also look at the belt, it's not in a proper condition. Now we will open the back lid to see what's on the other side. The model number. This is the sticker that contains the model number. So you can see there was a leakage. It was leaking. And you can remove the belt. The belt is the belt condition is not that good. With water, there's water coming out from the back part. You can see that's a play. So the other possibility, because apart from the bearings, I think if the water went to the motor might be damaged. I think the person tried to cover the motor with polythene bag. So this is just a manual check, a quick check to find out the possible reasons that some of the reasons that made this person sell this machine as a faulty washing machine. So one, there's a possibility it was leaking from the front part. Two, the bearings are worn out, bearing and seal. Then three, there's a possibility that the motor is damaged. And four, we will also look at the motherboard to see if it's faulty or not.